Hey, it's Jace, and I wanted to talk to you guys about something that we help a lot of our clients out with, and that's our three-step lead generation process, which is running ads to customers that are in a 3-mile radius, capturing their information, which is either through email, Facebook Messenger, or phone number, and then using that information to now sell them or actually get them into the restaurant or a local business. So let me give you an example of how this would work in your business. So typically if you're a restaurant or some kind of business, you want to give an offer or some kind of incentive to get customers in there for the first time. So instead of running your ad and just hoping that people come in, capturing that customer's information is so important because you can build that list over time and continuing to market to those people about future happy hour events, future promotions, future offers is much easier because you don't have to continue to go back, spend money on ads. You already have that customer's phone number, email, Facebook Messenger, subscriber, and it's free, right? You don't have to pay for it. Awesome, so that's just one quick little tip to help you maximize your ad dollars and get more customers into your restaurant.